Yo, Street Sensei here. Navratri is popping, the streets are buzzing, and I'm here for the hottest takes. Let's dive in. So, Garba or Dandiya, which one truly shows your skill? आपको क्या अपने लिए क्या वर्कआउट करता है?
एक्चुअली गरबा वर्कआउट करता है बिकॉज डांडिया आता नहीं खेलने एंड थोड़ा बहुत अपना गणपति डांस कर लेते गरबा में तो हो जाता है.
Okay, okay. What about you?
वो सेक्सी है तो ऑब्वियसली गरबा डांडिया के लिए वो खरीदना पड़ेगा तो ऐसे आ जाते हम लोग.
नहीं, हम लोगों ने गरीबी देखी है.
Okay. What about you guys?
मुझे तो दोनों भी नहीं आता तो मैं गणपति डांस करूंगी.
Okay, we have Ganpati dance lover here. What about
गरबा.
you? Garba? Garba
Yes.
works for you. Okay, alright. Which Garba do you like? Like the box Garba that these people have? और अपना ट्रेडिशनल गरबा, you know box गरबा वो वेस्टर्न वाला,
नहीं हम this and this नहीं हम लोग हाइब्रिड करते हैं जो भी हम लोग को जमता है ऐसा सर्कल बना के जो भी स्टेप्स हम कर सकते हैं मैक्सिमम वो हम लोग ट्राई करने के लिए एवरीवन ईच ऑफ
Okay. So according to the music, according to the feel, जो अच्छा लगेगा वो कर लेते हैं. Okay, okay, nice. Be honest, okay? Everyone has a Navratri pandal ever worked as a Tinder for you guys? Yes.
Literally 5 minutes ago he asked for a girl's Insta ID so
Okay.
that happened.
Okay. So
हाँ,
you
but-
approached her?
Yeah.
Crazy.
तो थोड़ी बड़ी निकली एंड बीइंग एन आईटी गाय वो भी आईटी से तो थोड़ा बहुत पीपीओ भी मिल जाएगा देखते हैं अभी.
Okay, okay.
Treat me like what these.
Alright. What about you guys? I mean, nobody has ever approached you guys. You have approached any guy?
We haven't approached anyone.
Why?
ऐसे ही बस.
Like, कोई भी अच्छा नहीं लगा क्या आपको?
हाँ भाई.
देवर का भी
ध्यान नहीं करता क्योंकि गरबा में
काफी
गरबा खेलते हैं.
handsome crowd था यहाँ पे.
तो we have priorities straight. So the focus on
वो-
गरबा.
वो लोग big-
And
वो
the
लोग
big
big man थे
moment
मेरे
for them.
कौन कौन?
ये सब लोग बिग वुमेन थे मेरे.
Okay, okay, nice. Okay, so what is overrated? Flashy costumes or actual dance moves? Overrated क्या है आपके हिसाब से?
Costume.
Costumes are overrated.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Yes.
बिकॉज आधे टाइम तो वो मैनेज करने नहीं आते हैं गरबा करते नहीं तो ऑब्वियसली कॉस्ट्यूम्स इसके लिए जितना सटल पहन सकते हम लोग वो ट्राई करते हैं.
Okay, nice. Okay, so the last one for you guys. Okay, if you could invite a celebrity to your local Navratri pandal, who would it be?
चंपक लाल गड़ा फ्रॉम तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा सोया. सोया.
Oh, okay. We have a Tarak Mehta fan here. Okay, what about you, boy?
फॉर श्योर जानवी कपूर
Oh,
बिकॉज शी इज द बेस्ट.
okay. What else do you like about her?
एक्चुअली ओनली हर
Only her.
और कुछ नहीं.
Oh, okay. So, Janvi Kapoor, if you are watching, I'm gonna tag his hand. Okay.
छतरी पकड़, छतरी.
जिसका इंस्टा आईडी तूने लिया
Yeah,
उसको बता.
We have a Poogie here. Okay. What about you both?
संजू राठौड़.
Sanju Rathod.
मेरे को शेकी शेकी करना है क्योंकि
Okay. What
no
about
names my friends.
your friends? Nah, dude. It has to be a celebrity. Come on. Anyone.
No names.
No names. Anyone. Yeah. Come on. Do you have a crush? Do you have a Bollywood crush?
Huh?
Do you have a Bollywood crush?
सिद्धार्थ राठौड़. अभी तो
Sorry, Aditya.
तू जेठालाल को बुला कर चंपक लाल को बुलाती हूँ.
बराबर.
बेस्ट.
नहीं नहीं, you have to think of yourself. Come on. एक कोई तो बॉलीवुड क्रश होगा, बॉलीवुड या कोई भी. None?
यार.
Okay, so any female crush? I mean,
मोस्टली से प्राजक्ता.
mostly say Prajakta Kodi. Okay, all right.
Garba or Dandiya, which one truly shows your skills?
गरबा.
Garba. What about you? Dandiya?
Definitely Garba, no none.
Dandiya?
Dandiya is
No,
super
no
late.
Dandiya. Okay. नहीं आता है? Okay. Be honest, as a Navratri Pandal ever work as a Tinder for you?
No.
Never.
No, never.
Never. पहले भी नहीं कभी.
नहीं.
नेवर विल ट्राई फॉर श्योर.
And you?
Live, I'm taking.
No. Okay. Which is overrated? Flashy costumes or dance moves?
डांस.
Dance moves. मतलब ऐसे कुछ भी एड़े ऐसे नाचते हैं.
हाँ चलेगा.
Dance moves. Okay. Okay. If you would invite any celebrity to your local Navratri Pandal, कौन रहेगा वो?
फाल्गुनी पाठक.
फाल्गुनी पाठक. Yes, फाल्गुनी पाठक. And about you?
Falguni Bhatt.
क्यों ऐसा कोई सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान?
नहीं.
I guess this culture is about Garba and everything, so we need more singers to be here. Rather than this.
Kinjal Dave?
No, I don't know her much about her.
You know about her? Okay, that's great.
Garba or Dandiya? Which one truly shows your skills?
I think Garba.
Garba?
Yeah.
Garba.
Like everyone hates Dandiya. Why?
Because we don't know how to play.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
that's
so
the
that's
reason.
why.
Yeah.
Okay, but the benefit of Dandiya is that if you
We can kick someone.
exactly,
Yeah.
dude, you literally
Play
read my
Dandiya with
mind.
the enemies. That would be the best thing.
Okay, I just hope that someday you have Dandiya in your hand and you find your enemy.
Yeah. Especially I'll do it with my boss.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, cool. What about you? Like you, Garba? The
Garba.
traditional one, like you want like traditional one or the fusion
Not
one?
the traditional one, the fusion one.
The fusion one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly we do Bharat wala dance, and then some Garba.
Acha,
Yeah.
ठीक है. No problem. The second one is, be honest, has a Navratri Pandal ever worked as a Tinder for you?
No.
Never? Dude, you look great. Why
I
people
know
don't
I look
approach you?
great, but no.
People don't approach
No,
you.
no.
What about you?
Because when they see my dance, they're like, bro, stay away.
अच्छा इसकी
Yeah,
वजह से
yeah,
तो दूर भागते हैं
Yeah.
तो आपके बहुत ज्यादा लात भी मारते हो
हाँ,
क्या?
हाँ.
क्या तो जान के मारते हो
Shoo.
What about you?
Rowdy
आपके लिए
dance.
कभी
Rowdy dance.
Rowdy dance.
Rowdy dance.
In Navratri?
Rowdy dance.
These guys are kids, yeah. They're in school.
Yeah. So what? You guys don't date?
Yeah, also they belong
Come
to
on, be
girls.
honest. You guys don't date?
No.
Oh, okay. We have a very scholar people.
These two are our moms.
What?
Yeah.
Santur mummy? Okay. The third one is, what is overrated? Flashy costume or actual Garba moves? What is overrated?
Flashy costumes.
Why? Like people तो इतना मेहनत करके आते हैं costumes वगैरह पहन के. Why it is overrated for you?
डांस करने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है हम लोग को डांस करने में इंटरेस्ट है ड्रेसेस में कुछ नहीं है डांस
For us, I guess dance would never be flashy.
Okay.
Costume.
Garba is important. Okay. So the last one that I have for you is, if you could invite a celebrity to your local Navratri Pandal, who would it be?
Celebrity.
Yeah, anyone. Or maybe if you have like आपको किसी के ऊपर crush है, Bollywood crush, या celebrity crush.
Maybe Rohit Saraf.
Oh, nice choice.
Yeah.
Rohit Saraf fans, assemble in the comment section, boys.
You're doing great in new movie if you're
Oh.
watching this.
Okay, you have a fan here, Rohit,
Yeah.
in Navi Mumbai. Okay.
Please follow me on Instagram. I'm a creator.
I'll drop her handle, Rohit.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
please. It's Prachi Vishwas Rao.
Let's go.
Yeah.
What about you guys? If you could bring Rohit Saraf only. Come on.
because Shahid
What about you?
Shahid Kapoor.
Shahid Kapoor. Okay. What about you?
Salman Khan.
Oh, we have Salman boy fans here. What about you?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh my God. Do one dialogue. Which one is your favorite? कृष्ण में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. Do it. with me. Come on.
बोल.
3, 2, 1.
कृष्ण में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. Hey.
If you could invite any celebrity to your local pandal, local Navratri pandal, who would it be?
My favorite actress is Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay, Shraddha Kapoor.
Falguni
Yeah,
Pathak.
boy, this is the answer that I wanted. Falguni fans assemble. What about you?
No idea.
Tony चाय टपरी वाला.
No, नहीं.
So, you should have. I'm pretty sure that you have someone in your head. Come on.
Talvinder, my favorite singer.
Talvinder. Okay, what's your favorite song? I don't know.
Hasid, maybe you have listened it.
Okay, maybe. Okay, so that's it. Okay, alright. Okay, so गरबा और डांडिया, which one truly shows your skill? आपको ज्यादा क्या पसंद है? गरबा पसंद है या डांडिया? Why not डांडिया guys?
Dandiya is lame.
डांडिया is lame?
Yeah.
Dude, किसी को भी लग सकता है.
Garba is more like team spirit.
True. What about you guys? What do you think? गरबा और डांडिया?
गरबा.
Everyone? Okay, but डांडिया का एक एडवांटेज है ना, अगर एक सामने आएगी तो उसके हाथ पे भी मार सकते हैं ना अपन.
उसके
वो
लिए-
एडवांटेज है ना.
उसके लिए
ओके, डांडिया भी तो इजी है.
उसके लिए एक्स तो होनी चाहिए.
Okay. What is overrated? Flashy costumes or actual dance moves? What is
Flashy
overrated? Why?
Those kurta that are like this. No, not like this.
खराब हो जाएगा. मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा. मैं इनकी अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा.
Okay.
Those common kurtas which have like the diamond one.
The chapri kurta.
Yeah.
Okay.
मुझे पहना था ये पिछले साल 22 साल.
Oh. कोई तो पकड़ा गया है. Okay. If you could invite any celebrity to your local Navratri Pandal, who would it be? प्लीज डॉली चाय वाला कोई मत बोलना
सलमान
प्लीज थोड़ी सी रिस्पेक्ट
सलमान खान
व्हाई
एक तरफा प्यार है, एक तरफा प्यार है।
We have a heartbroken Ashik here. I'm gonna pin his Instagram. If anybody finds him good, please.
Ojas, damn
So
Ojas.
everyone thinks Salman. Come
And
on, man.
Ajay
Not
Devgn.
everybody. Everyone have their own favorite guys. Come on.
Ajay Devgn efforts for his efforts in
Okay.
dance.
Ajay Devgn. Okay. What about you? What do you think?
गौतम भी पाटिल
Like तुम लोग को ऐसा क्या लगता है कि आगे फॉर एग्जांपल किसी कोई गरबा खेलने जा रहे हैं हम लोग तो पूरा ग्रुप एक साथ होना चाहिए लाइक पूरा सर्कल होना चाहिए या अपना अपना पर्सनल जो है अपने 5-6 दोस्त लोग ग्रुप बना
पूरा circle होना चाहिए।
सब लोग एक साथ
उसमें
होना
मजा
चाहिए, है ना ओके
Follow streets and
let's go